So on this one, we are looking for the graph that has an asymptote at y equals 1. These are all rational, well, I shouldn't say they're all rational functions, but the ones that we're going to focus on end up being rational functions. Natural log looks something like this. He has an asymptote at x equals 0, so he's gone. Sine is a wave, no asymptotes. And y equals e to the negative x. This traditionally looks like this, but with that negative, it's going to be reflected over the y-axis. So it looks like that. So still no asymptote. So these are your two contenders. What's hard to see, though, is these are both kind of in crappy forms. For an asymptote to be shifted, you need a horizontal asymptote to be shifted. So it's something that looks like that guy. In order for that blue line to be shifted, that's a D transformation. So you're looking for a D of +1, essentially. Both of these are in not such great form, so you need to do synthetic division to figure out which one it actually is. So you do synthetic division. I just started with C, and you end up with -1 x + 1 + x. There's your +1. Boom, C. 147, you have a new function h, and it is defined as the composition of f and of g. So you're essentially doing a composition. The idea is taking the absolute value or squaring the function, you're going to have the same answer. So the absolute value of -1 is the same as -1 squared. So that's kind of why you're able to pick E. The other ones you can kind of take out through process of elimination. This one, maybe you were thinking this one, but that -1 is not part of that original x. You're looking for horizontal and vertical asymptotes. So you have to think about the relationship. Your vertical asymptote, take your denominator, set it equal to 0. So you got C is equal to 3. And then for your vertical asymptote, it's a relationship here in the coefficients, because you have the same degree in the top and the bottom. So that has to be equal to 2, essentially. So A is equal to 2. So 3 + 2 is equal to 5.